Friends, today is National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on 20th February of every year in order to commemorate the invention of Raman Effect by the Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. This is celebrated for his success in the field of science. He was awarded and honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. National Science Day serves as a reminder of the pivotal role that science plays in our day-to-day life and the development of our nations. The theme of National Science Day 2025 is Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. I will repeat, Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. This theme underscores the importance of nurturing young minds to lead in scientific research and technological innovations, propelling India towards a developed and self-reliant nation by providing our youth with the necessary tools, education, and opportunities. We can inspire them to contribute significantly to global scientific community and drive the nation's progress. As we reflect on Sir C.V. Ramana's legacy, let us also recognize the immense potential within our young population. Together, we can certainly cultivate a culture of scientific curiosity and innovation, paving the way for a brighter and more prosperous future for India.